Problem 4-104. Replace the force acting on the truss by a resultant force and a couple moment at point C. So the first thing we want to do is break down all these components. These are all nicely into the X or the Y direction. And this one is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. And the magnitude is 500, which goes nicely with 5. So this is clearly 300, and this is 400. So let's sum the forces in the X direction, and we get 400 in the positive. And that's it. Sum the forces in the Y direction, negative 200. Now I'm doing negative 200 right now. Eventually, you're going to switch to positive is down because, well, I was a civil engineer and most of the forces are down. So 300 down. We sum all that up and we get the force vector to be 400 in the I and negative 750 in the J. Now let's sum the moments about C. 200 times 2, and that is negative because it's rotating clockwise. Negative 200 times 2, negative 150 times 4, negative 100 times 6, negative 300 times 8, and the 400 will also cause rotation this way, so the 400 is going to be negative 400 times 6, that height there. And that all sums up to 6,400, we'll call it negative, and that's going to be pound-feet.